But the other thing I always say is, and Mike, you might need to Google this for me. What is the saying on the side of the Statue of Liberty? Because to me, America, greatest country in the world, I think to a lot of people, it is. There's the American dream. There's no other country that has dream behind it. They don't say the Russian dream or China's dream, right, or it's the American dream, right? And part of that is, home ownership, which is a byproduct to me of the American dream. To me, the American dream is, capitalism. You can start a business, you can make money, you can buy a house, you can raise your family here, safe community, so on and so forth. But on the side of, Mike, can you read that quote to me that's on the side of the Statue of Liberty? Because I think of this with what you're saying, and I'm going to bring it back to what you just said.
Sure.
Yeah, it's give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free, the wrench refuse of your teeming shore. Send these, the homeless, tempest to me. I lift my lamp beside the golden door.
So to me, that is our saying here at NBI Financial Group. Give me your tired, your weak, the homeless. I lift my lamp to thee. Exactly. So to all that talent that is out there, all that talent that is at their lender, you're being underutilized. You aren't getting the same resources. They aren't putting the investment into you. And a lot of it's a mindset investment. I tell everybody who comes to work here, if you do what we tell you to do from a sales standpoint and you invest in yourself and in the mindset, we will coach you up and show you exactly what you need to do. We'll lead you to the water. All you have to do is drink it. I'm saying, hey, Movement Mortgage might have a bunch of people that don't have the resources or aren't feeling good there. If you're not feeling good there, if you don't feel like you have the resources or the products or definitely not the pricing, I know that. I go day to day against Movement. Pricing's not there. If you don't have that, reach out to us. Reach out to Eric.
Please.
Fairway, Summit, anybody you could think of. I'm trying to just think of retail lenders off the top of my head.
Guaranteed rate cross country.
Guaranteed rate cross country, Rocket, Guild. Yeah. Oh, I would love to take some people from Guild. Yeah. Listen, here's the thing. They're Goliath, and right now we're David.
Right.
And when they punch, it might hurt. Because they might punch back at us for saying this.
Right.
But you want to know what's weird about me? Whenever I would get in a fight as a kid, I would just stare at the person. I'd be like, hit me. You hit me first.
Yeah.
Because I like to feel a little bit of pain.
Yeah. Plus, I feel like I need to justify what I'm about to do.
Exactly. Exactly. So my whole thing is like the Statue of Liberty, the saying on the Statue of Liberty, I believe in the American dream. Shout out to France for sending that over to America. Great gift, by the way. Our torch is on. Our light is on. NBI Financial Group, we will shine the light for you. The reason I brought Eric in and what I said to him is I want the person who has the right mindset but isn't producing $1 million a month. I want the $250,000. I want the $300,000, the $500,000. I want to be the person who puts the resources in place that nobody else puts for the person who's not producing $1 million plus, $2 million plus, $3 million plus. So when they come in here, all they have to do is they go out and they get a mortgage application. Once they get a mortgage application, it goes to our team of, high-level underwriters, D certified chums, Lars Lapp, and we're a broker shop, so we don't even underwrite in-house.
Right.
But the other thing we have is Candor Technology, which is artificial intelligence. That underwrites a file in it's averaging 12 and a half minutes right now. 13 minutes we can underwrite an entire file, know every single condition we need. So we can issue a pre-approval in 4 business hours. It's a true pre-approval, a TBD underwritten pre-approval in 4 hours or less, because guess what? And guess what the loan officer's doing that whole time? Prospecting, going out and getting more business, learning sales techniques, doing everything that a salesperson should be able to do, creating partnerships, because we have a team. It goes to our processor one. Our processor one will do the pre-approval, give them multiple options depending on the lender. And the best part about it is when that pre-approval is issued, it's fully underwritten. So when we do get a home under contract on purchase, it goes to the lender, and we average 14.7 days from contract to clear to close because we've already underwritten it. The next thing is guess what? They don't have to process their file. We have another DE certified underwriter. She is a killer. Her name is Candace. She is the best of the best at what she does. She goes in, she gets every single condition that the lender may come back with, whether it's like something like the LOX, something simple typically, title, HOI, insurance, all that is done through Candace. Our our loan officers, they don't even have to pull credit. When it comes time for closing, we handle that for them as well. So what we did was we designed a business model that is faster, more able, We can do more products. We do it with better rates than anybody else in the industry because mortgage brokers, this is a true article, Google this, save the consumer on average $9,400 per transaction. That's HMDA data, right? That's what that is. And it's saving $9,400 per transaction. We don't have to say no to anything. I literally had a 580 credit score manually underwritten $400,000 purchase that we got closed in 14 days. I did that personally. I'm averaging $3 million a month while running a business because of the support staff we put in place. And unlike the movement mortgages of the world and the big lenders out there, we won't get into throwing bows with our fellow mortgage brokers yet, but some of you know I'm coming.